Have you ever wanted to create professional graphics, presentation, videos, or social media posts, or even website without spending hours learning complicated design software? Well, that's exactly what Canva AI is trying to make possible. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're taking a closer look at a Canva. I'll show you its most useful feature, how they work, and whether Canva AI is actually worth using in 2026. So guys, let's get started. Canva has already been one of the easiest design platforms to use, but with the additional AI, it's become much more than just a graphic design tool. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, business owner, student, or someone who simply wants to create professional looking content quickly, Canva AI offers tools that can save a lot of time. And after logging into Canva, you'll notice that you can now simply describe what you want to create instead of starting with a blank page. For example, I can type something like create a modern YouTube thumbnail for AI tutorial, and within just a few seconds, Canva generates several different design ideas. Instead of spending 20 or 30 minutes building a layout from scratch, you already have a professional starting point that you can fully customize. And one of the biggest AI features is Magic Design. This tool automatically complete design based on your prompt. It chooses layout, font, colors, and images, giving you several different versions to choose from. And another useful feature is Magic Write. If you ever struggle to write caption, blog posts, emails, YouTube script, or marketing copy, this tool can generate content in just a few seconds. Simply describe what you need and Canva create a draft that you can edit and improve. It's a great way to overcome written block and speed up your workflow. Canva AI also include AI image generator, and instead of searching through stock photo website, you can simply type a description like futuristic office with AI robot and neon lighting, and Canva generate original images based on your prompt. This is especially useful for presentation, social media graphic, and marketing materials. Canva AI isn't limited to graphics, it can also create presentation, and instead of building every slide manually, you can enter your topic and Canva generate entire presentation with suggested layout, titles, and visuals, and this can save a huge amount of time for students, teachers, or anyone preparing business presentation. Video editing is another area where Canva continues to improve. You can trim clips, add transition, create animation, generate subtitles, and resize videos for different platforms like YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, all without leaving Canva. And one of the Canva biggest advantages is that everything is available in only one place. Instead of switching between multiple AI tools for writing, image generation, editing, presentation, or design, you can do almost everything inside single platform. And of course, Canva AI isn't perfect. Sometimes the generated images need a few adjustments, and advanced designers may still prefer software like Photoshop or Illustrator for more detailed work. However, for the vast majority of users, Canva AI provides more than enough features while being much easier to learn. So, is Canva AI still worth using in 2026? In my opinion, it's definitely yes. It's one of the most complete AI-powered creative platform available today. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnail, presentation, social media content, marketing materials, or business documents, Canva AI can help you work faster without sacrificing quality. So, if you're getting started, all important links will be provided down below, so make sure to check them out. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.